So in my admin console here, we're going to show you kind of what the integration looks like from a high level. We can go in and see that we have a number of integrations, but the CrowdStrike integration here, we'll go through and expand on what we said today about all the pieces of the puzzle, about the devices being there. It gives you all the information about the network containment, the license requirement, all the authentication pieces. It gives you all the supported platforms here as well that where essentially where CrowdStrike is supported today, and we can partner with them. And then it gets into some of the frequently asked questions, but more importantly, this is really what we're here to talk about is this attribute set that we have. And you can see we have a number of attributes here. And so when we go over to the rules here, this rules engine, our policy engine here, this is really, really where it gets powerful. This is the magic we can take. So if we pull in all those attributes from CrowdStrike on a continuous basis, then this is where the rubber meets the road, where we can now put them in a policy that stops access from the user when that configuration is not perfect. And so if we go in here, I'll show you that we have these on every authentication, essentially, within this Windows environment. We have these CrowdStrike attributes. These attributes, again, we pull directly from CrowdStrike per tenant. So this is not shared with anyone else. And we have all of those available attributes in here. And we do have some recommendations on, making sure the agent is there, making sure that the service is actually working for this device, and then in addition to that, a whole slew of attributes that you as an end user and an administrator, as a business, get to define what exactly is there. So these are all Boolean, true or false. We can say, combination of ZTA score, connection available, is secure boot running in Windows? Is credential guard running there? Is the secure kernel running? We have all of the Windows features that make the device very, very secure. CrowdStrike now looking to see if those are available. Then beyond identity, getting that data and now being able to determine whether we deny them, whether we set that to monitor. Maybe this is a new rule that we're trying to figure out what it might do. We have that capability in here to go in and deny that access to stop it. And like you've seen from some of the testimonials of our customers, this is where the power comes in, is with the CrowdStrike data on top of our policy engine. Now you have a really, really easy way to protect your users based on the devices that they're using, essentially. And you can have that customized to, again, we have this for every authentication. You could have that set up per application if you wanted to. So you can get super granular with the policy, but the data being available in CrowdStrike is the huge part here, where we now have all of that data that we can lean on CrowdStrike, and that investment into the CrowdStrike security stack we have now comes into play, like I said, in the identity light for the authentications for users. We're going to see the user try to log in here with the account information and the biometric here. That is the lovely biometric that we do on the devices that the PA supplies for us. So you will see that the user doesn't meet the criteria in this case. And in the Falcon sensor and in the PA, we put up a custom message here to go to the IT information for more, the IT group for more information. So again, that customization of the log, in the policy shows up on the user's desktop. And this is a blocked login here. From that perspective, we get a policy denied. They don't get access to that resource. So with that said, they are completely blocked from the service due to a configuration within CrowdStrike that we don't trust anymore, that we've put in a policy that now allows them not to access things until that device is in a trusted state.